Welcome to my channel Civil Tech Forum. Today we are going to discuss on how to calculate the depth of foundation. Okay, if you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for updates. Okay, let us start today's topic, how to calculate the depth of foundation. Okay, whenever you do the calculation or whenever you go for the design of buildings or any of the structure, you might have in a dilemma that what should be the depth of foundation. Okay, so here this is the depth, this is the ground level, up to what depth you need to excavate. Okay, so here in the topic, today's topic, we'll be discussing on how to calculate. We have the equation for that. Okay, so here I'll give the live example. Here in the figure, this will be the question mark, what should be the depth of foundation. Okay, here you can see the actual foundations, whereas the ground level is here and foundation is somewhere at certain depth. Here you can see, okay, depth is here, it is ground level, this is the ground level, natural ground level, and this is the depth of excavation, okay, or depth of foundation level. Okay, so here we have to calculate this one, we have the equation called the Rankine's equation. Okay, that is the depth of foundation will be calculated by the Rankine's equation, that is depth of foundation D is equal to SBC divided by gamma, that is density of soil, 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi bracket square. Okay, so you might have heard that before going to find out the SBC, you need to conduct the test, some test, that is core cutter or sampling will be done, sampling of soil. Later we'll go for the shear test on soil. Okay, there you'll be getting the two values, that is C and phi. Using the C and phi, I'll be finding the SBC of soil, whereas again phi will use here. Okay, when you conduct a core cutting and sampling, you will come to know the density of soil also, that is gamma. Okay, here in this today's topic, all we required data is from the shear test, sampling. Okay, when you conduct core test, you will be getting the density of soil. Sampling will be done along with the core cutting, and the shear test will be done. It may be a direct shear test, vane shear test, triaxial shear, whatever it may be, but there will be calculating two parameters, C as well as phi. From Tarski equation, we will be finding the value of SBC. Okay, so here we got three datas are required for this depth of foundation. One is gamma, one is phi, as well as SBC. Okay, when you conduct all these tests, easily you can find out the depth of foundation using this equation. Here what I will do, I'll be using this equation, SBC divided by gamma, 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi. This is the coefficient of earth pressure, that is Ka, Kp will be using. Okay, you might have seen this one. Okay, before that, before conclude, we'll be solving one problem. For example, using those tests, direct shear test as well as the core cutting. Suppose if we get the SBC of soil 200 kilonewton per meter square and density gamma is equal to 20 kilonewton per meter cube, and phi value if we got 30 degree. Okay, this is angle of repose or angle of internal friction. Okay, if we got this one, the depth of foundation will be calculated by equation D is equal to SBC by gamma into bracket 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi bracket square. Okay, I'll substitute the values, 200 by 20 into bracket 1 minus sin 30 divided by 1 plus sin 30 bracket square. When you solve this one, the depth of foundation will be equal to 1.11 meter. Okay, it may be 1.2 meter I can take. So the minimum depth of foundation required if the SBC is 200 kilonewton per meter square, density of soil is 220 kilonewton per meter cube, and phi is 30 degree. Okay, I think if you like the video, okay, I'll brief once again. So depth of foundation will be how much? If in this condition, if the value of SBC here it is 200 kilonewton per meter square and density is 20 kilonewton per meter cube and phi is equal to 30 degree, in that case the depth of foundation will be minimum 1.2 meter. Okay, in this way we will be calculating the depth of foundation. Whatever the equation we have used here, this is the Rankine's equation. Okay, apart from that we will be using another one equation to calculate, that is Tarasgi's equation, okay, to calculate SBC. There we will be calculating NC, NQ and N gamma. Okay, these values are depends on value of C and phi. Okay, in the next video we will be discussing on the NC, NQ, N gamma. Okay, that means, okay, next video will be how to calculate SBC of soil. Okay, next topic we will be discussing on this using Tarasgi's equation. Okay, there we will be calculating NC, NQ and N gamma from the chart. Based on that we will be calculating SBC of soil. Okay, I think you like the video. Please, if you really like the video, press like button. Okay, share with your friends. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for upcoming technical videos. Thank you.